Hello student, what you have to see here? Yes, a beautiful dresses. You all like to wear a different colors and styles dresses. Yes, we all like to wear a different clothes in different occasion. But children, can you think if we cannot keep our dresses properly, then in time we will not get our dress properly? Yes. So, children, we will think how a person should be neat and tidy and how he should a well manner and how should he keep her clothes properly? Now you will think why the teacher tells us about this everything, because today we will learn our poem that is Dress Quickly. So in this poem we will learn how the child keep her things in proper way, or as it is he strew it. So let's start the poem. Now see here, page number 19, lesson number 9, Dress Quickly. First we will read all the poem. See here, all your life you will have to dress every single day unless you should happen to be sick. Why not learn to do it quick? Hang your clothes the proper way so you will find them fresh next day. Treat them with a little care. Fold them neatly on a chair. So, without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. Think of the slovenly goops before you strew your clothing on the floor. Poem written by Gillette Burgess from More Goops and How Not to Be Dead. We'll see the first stanza. See here what the poet want to tell us. All your life you will have to dress every single day unless you should happen to be sick. Why not learn to do it quick? Now see the children what the poet want to tell us. In our life, every single day we want to wear a different dress. Yes, we like to wear a different dresses daily. Yes, child. But when we are not feeling well or when we are sick, that day we are unable to wear a different types of dress because we are a very sick, we are laying on the bed, so we are not able to wear a dress. What the poet want to say is, if you want a different dress, then why you not keep your dress in proper way? If you keep it properly, so every day you will get it properly. Now see the second para. Hang your clothes the proper way so you will find them fresh next day. Treat them with a little care. Fold them neatly on a chair. Now see here. You have to keep your clothes in proper way. In our cupboard, if we keep our dress or we hang our dress properly, so easily the next day we will get it. Okay, means see the children, you will get it in proper time. Yes, child. So, if you want the dress in proper time, carefully you have to take care of your clothes. You have to fold them neatly and keep in a proper place like chair or your cupboard. Means you have to take care your clothes and keep them in proper way, so easily without any problem. Next day you will get it back. Understood, children, this much? Now see the next para. So without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. Think of the slovenly goops before you strew your clothing on the floor. Now see the children what the poet want to tell us. If the next day you want your clothes in proper time, without any tension, without any problem, so what you have to do? You have to keep the dress in proper way. Now you have to give a few times to keep your clothes in proper way, so easily without any problem you will get it back properly. Means before you have to throwing your dress or your clothes on the floor, you have to think it slovenly. Slovenly means untidiness or careless in dress and manners. Now you have to think about a untidy or goops. Goops means rude or careless people with no manners. When you will throw your dresses on the floor, you have to few minutes think about a untidy or rude or careless manners person. So you have to decide whether you want your clothes in proper time or you will strew it. Strew means spread here and there, or you want to spread your dress here and there on the floor. So in which way you will get your dress properly? Children, you have to think it. Easily you will get the answer if we keep the dresses on their proper place. So the next day without any problem you will get it back in a time. So children, understood the poem? From this poem, what message you get? Yes, if we keep our things, our dresses, our books, or many other things which is related to us, if we keep them in their proper place, so easily next day or whenever we want it back, we will get it. If we threw them here, there, then when you want or when we need, we never get it in proper time. So what you learn? You have to keep your things in proper way. So children, understood the poem? Through the poem, we get the message about a cleanliness. So children, you have to revise the videos and read the poem. This is your homework. So in this poem, which difficult word we learned? See here. Quickly means very soon. Slovenly means untidy or careless in dress and manners. Next, goops. Goops means rude or careless people with no manner. And 4, strew. Strew means spread here and there.